Yo, yo, Big Benny Bones, Smokey Joe. Chilling this day. And you lovely one. Just had to fly around and shit. And you've been learning to whistle this thing. So we're going to try and sing a song today and you're going to whistle, aren't you? Maybe? Let's give it a go. We just like unrehearsed, so we're going to try it out. I got it sticks. You like sticks? Fucking come on, let's play this. Like my fucking finger. You ready? Hey, it's the groove. I'll wait for your whistling part. You know the fucking words to this shit. We're gonna give it a go anyway, we're gonna rinse it. Yeah, first fucking take, innit? He's fucking flown off, alright then. Nice legs, Daisy Dukes, make your man go. Hey, we all go through like. Fuck my. Right, the bird's gone ape shit, guess we ain't singing this. And motherfucker. Right, just set them up to knock them down. Just set them up, just set them up, just set them. You're missing your whistling part now. Down. I think I should know how to make love to something innocent without leaving my fingerprints out. Joe, you just come on. This thing, man. How? I'm sorry. This music video is going bad, boy. Go on your stick. V is just another word I never learned to pronounce. Hey, whistling. Whistle solo. Double G's making me go. Just set them up. I don't even know what this video is anymore. To knock them down, just set them up, just set them up. Oh, I think I should know how to make love to something innocent without leaving my fingerprints out. Now, it's just another word I never learned to pronounce. How do I see your sorry? The words are never gonna come out. Hey, you got whistle solo coming up soon. You've been doing a whistle solo anyway. Never learned to pronounce. Go on, Joe. That kind of shit just won't work on me. You're just gone off the cuff, aren't you? Personally, never in love. You say you are. You're a dude. What, go on, Joe? I think I should know how to make love to something innocent. Fucking he's defending the stick now. You shit. You're on my head. You're supposed to be. Don't bite the fuck in my head now. Right. This is it for the day, is it? Hey, the band's over. So I'm gonna get you off my fucking head. Fucking. You're a shit, ain't you? Well. That was our debut track. I'll try and get Sting off my fucking head now. You're an asshole, aren't you? You actually bite, or you just trying to be tough? Do I risk it? Oh shit, he's getting vicious as fuck. Well, fuck. Anyway, good whistling and all that. Dick. Right, let's sort this out.